was the new cool buzzer flashing tech of 2023. It's AI, it's AI, it's AI. Was the new buzzer flashing tech of 2023. It's AI, it's AI. Hi everyone, in today's episode we'll be looking at artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, what it is like for the present and what the future holds. Remember, these tools will not replace you at your place of work or at your job, but those who know how to use them will be the ones to replace you and your current work. No matter what field you're in, today's episode we're going to touch a number of topics, so stay tuned. All human endeavors are filled with fixed and repetitive tasks. Take for example, Andre Karpathy, an elite AI developer, says that 80% of his code is written by GitHub Copilot with an accuracy of almost 80%. So what does this mean? Side note, GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer that offers autocomplete style suggestions as you code. And as a programmer, you can access this service for $10 per month. What is the use of artificial intelligence in our day-to-day activities? Let me introduce you to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a free-to-use artificial intelligence text-based platform that can be your personal assistant. And I've seen it being used for all these activities. Also, ChatGPT has passed the US medical licensing examination and Wharton MBA exams. Personally, I've been struggling with a particular programming language for the past 3 years. And in the past few weeks, I've used ChatGPT as a personal tutor to easily learn these difficult concepts. So whatever you think you're doing, I'm very sure ChatGPT or artificial intelligence can be a good assistant. As I mentioned at the very beginning, these tools or shiny technologies will not replace your job, but those who know how to use them will be the ones to replace you and your job. In the subsequent episode in this series, I will be exploring how to use artificial intelligence, ChatGPTs, and similar tools in your various activities and your job. So stay tuned. Ask any particular questions you have, or you may have a particular request. Kindly write it in the comment section and we'll explore these topics together. From engineering ideas to a front desk person to a medical or legal practitioners, we will take our time and look at how we can optimize our day-to-day activities in achieving better results. Finally, the Industrial Revolution didn't happen overnight. We moved from horse-drawn wagon, steam-powered engines, division of labor, electronically automated systems. We already are in the fourth industrial revolution, powered by big data and the use of artificial intelligence. I believe that those who take advantages of these tools will be at the forefront of leading humanity into its next phase.